The Mysterious Island Adventure.
Once upon a time, in a small coastal village, there was a young girl named Lily. Lily loved the sea and spent most of her days exploring the shoreline, collecting seashells, and dreaming of adventures. One sunny morning, while walking along the beach, she noticed something shiny half buried in the sand. Curious, she dug it out and found a beautiful, old-fashioned key. Lily's heart raced with excitement. She wondered what the key might unlock. She looked around and saw an old sailor sitting by his boat, mending his fishing net. She approached him and showed him the key. "Ah, you've found the legendary key," exclaimed the old sailor. "This key is said to open a hidden treasure chest on a mysterious island not far from here. Many have tried to find it, but none have succeeded." Lily's eyes sparkled with determination. "I want to find that island and discover the treasure," she said. The old sailor smiled. "Very well, but you must be brave and clever. The journey is dangerous, and the island is filled with puzzles and traps." Undeterred, Lily asked the sailor for a map. He handed her an ancient, weathered map and wished her good luck. Lily set off on her adventure, taking her small boat and rowing towards the mysterious island. After several hours, she reached the island. It was lush with greenery and filled with the sounds of exotic birds. Following the map, Lily ventured into the dense jungle. As she walked, she encountered her first challenge, a large, fallen tree blocking her path. Remembering a knot-tying technique she had learned from the sailor, she used some vines to create a makeshift rope and climbed over the tree. Continuing her journey, she found a beautiful, glimmering waterfall. Behind the waterfall was a dark cave, marked on the map as the entrance to the treasure's hiding place. Taking a deep breath, Lily stepped into the cave. Inside, she found a series of stone tablets with strange symbols carved into them. She realized that these were clues to solving the puzzle that would lead her to the treasure. Lily studied the symbols carefully, remembering the stories her grandmother used to tell her about ancient scripts. She slowly deciphered the symbols, which formed a riddle. The riddle spoke of a hidden lever that would reveal the path forward. After searching the cave, she found the lever disguised as a stalagmite. Pulling it, a hidden door opened, revealing a staircase leading further down into the cave. Descending the staircase, Lily found herself in a large chamber filled with intricate traps and obstacles. She avoided pressure plates that triggered darts and finally reached a grand door. The door had a keyhole that perfectly matched her old-fashioned key. With a sense of victory, Lily inserted the key and turned it. The door creaked open, revealing a room filled with gold, jewels, and ancient artifacts. But the greatest treasure of all was a beautifully bound journal resting on a base. The journal contained the secrets and stories of the island's ancient inhabitants, their wisdom, and their adventures. Lily realized that the true treasure wasn't the gold or jewels, but the knowledge and history preserved in the journal. She took the journal and a few precious artifacts, intending to share the stories with her village and the world. As she made her way back to her boat, Lily felt a sense of accomplishment and wonder. She had not only found the treasure, but also discovered the joy of exploration and the importance of preserving history. Returning to her village, Lily was greeted as a hero. She shared her adventure with everyone and showed them the journal. The villagers were fascinated by the stories and the knowledge it contained. Lily's adventure inspired others to explore, learn, and value the history and wisdom of those who came before them. And so, Lily's story became a legend, reminding everyone that sometimes the greatest treasures are not gold or jewels, but the stories and knowledge that connect us to our past and guide us into the future.